everybody. तो हम लोग स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं अपनी कुद्रेमुख की ट्रैक एंड वी आर अराउंड 41 people together. Hello everybody. So we are going to the Bellu temple. This comes on the way. We are here in Kudremukh. Homestay के अंदर है and we are going to start our trek in some time after having breakfast. And view point here. So technically हमें उधर जाना है बादलों के पास. Sorry. Maccas United के साथ चल रहा है. And these are my friends. Hi बोलो. So yeah, we are going to the top to trek and a lot of people there. Come on, we have to reach to the top. Guys, ये मेरा दूसरा टाइम है कुद्रेमुख पर्वत के लिए and trust me it's not easy. पता नहीं क्या जो मुझे पागल कुत्ते ने काटा, दूसरी बार आ गई मैं फिर से यहाँ पे. एक्चुअली बाय द वे द फन पार्ट, कुद्रेमुख इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये कुद्रे मीन्स कुत्ते के जैसे दिखता है, लाइक कुत्ते के मुंह के जैसे शेप है कुद्रेमुख का, सो इसलिए इसको कुद्रेमुख बोला जाता है. एंड दिस इज द सीनिक ब्यूटी ऑफ कुद्रेमुख. अभी चेक पोस्ट पे है, वी आर जस्ट हियर एट द चेक पोस्ट. द होल जर्नी इज़ येट टू स्टार्ट. So what they basically do here is checking our bags and things for. They do not allow plastics at all and no alcohol. Say hello. Hello. Mr. Lead.
हेलो.
कितना दूर और बाकी है? How many?
अभी 21 किलोमीटर है.
गाइस बहुत आगे चलना है, इसमें हालत टाइट हो चुकी है. Don't worry.
किलोमीटर है. कम ऑन.
We'll do it. Thank you. So we have reached somewhere near the river part and this is nice and so peaceful. Say hi guys. Hi. In the middle of the jungle. Reached to the valley part of the Kudremukh region and देख सकते हैं, look at the clouds coming out of between the mountains. And poor me, I just sprained my leg. I was quite ahead of my team members, but पैर में लग गई and it's like troubling a lot. Don't know कितने किलोमीटर्स चल पाऊँगी. So पता नहीं. First time that trek में I sprained my leg. I've never sprained my leg ever. I have to be little careful. Proofs इतने दिन के बाद कर रहे हैं. I have to be regular in this kind of activities. My fitness ज़रूरी है guys. Never ever one point of advice for everyone. कभी भी अपना fitness के लिए not trade money for your fitness. Do not trade. ये रहा very beautiful Kudremukh forest. So Kudremukh is supposed to be known as the national forest of Karnataka. एंड कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे जंगली जानवर भी है, बट ट्रस्ट मी गाइस मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला. मुझे लीचेस भी नहीं दिखे अब तक. सो आपको रिवर्स और फॉल्स दिखाए मैंने, बट couldn't find anything else. But the nature is really very pretty here. The scenic value is lot. Every one of you should once in a lifetime try Kudremukh at least.
See that one? Yeah.
Okay.
But in the
We are.
first, after that again you need to go like this. There are 3 more trips.
हाँ मुझे पता है उधर जाके बहुत दिक्कत होती है हाँ सॉरी शिट We have reached the midpoint of Kudremukh. थोड़ा बताओ ना क्या नाम है Vantimara.
Yes. Vantimara.
So this monkey tree is the mid point of Kudremukh. This is the monkey tree. It was really difficult. Whew. Bro, hi बोल, hi चप्पो. Hi. Finally reached. आधी साइड आगे आधे पीछे. जिंदगी So we have covered half the path. We are ahead. Guys, this is the first water stream we found. इधर पानी का बॉटल भरा है अभी. And these streams are so refreshing. Fresh water in the mountains. Jungle. Finally, first stream तक आ गए. Say hi. Hi. Look at this. This is so amazing. I think हम लोग बहुत ऊपर आ गए हैं. Yeah. So I think we are really on the top. And बहुत जल्दी पीक आ जाएगा. So वो ऐसा देख सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे. I'm really excited. मेरी हालत सच में ख़राब हो गई थी. But after putting my legs in the water and feeling so relaxed and relieved, I feel now I can finish it off. Doing it after 2 years is not a joke. मुझे पता नहीं बहुत पीसफुल लग रही है. हाँ जगह है यार ये. Heavenly abode. Moonlight trek. I really feel I'm so near to God. And just see the clouds coming up from that place. Guys, 3.5 kilometers more from this place. I think it's gonna rain now. So beautiful. बारिश हो रही है. Look at this view, so amazing and mesmerizing. Amazing view. मेरी हालत ख़राब है. But I'm still gonna complete. Not giving up so easily.
था ना वो हमारे साथ था वहाँ पे.
Hey guys, so this is the peak. It's like around 1:30, so main point is actually closed. But this is one of the peak of Kudremukh. Just 1 minute, like 5-10-20 minutes was left. But अभी नीचे जाने में अंधेरा हो जाएगा, तो they are not allowing us to go now. So we are sitting here and eating. खा लिया मैंने. कुछ लोग खा रहे हैं. Say hi. हम लोग थके हारे परेशान नीचे जाने के लिए कुछ ज़्यादा ही परेशान है. ऊपर आना was hard, नीचे जाना is more harder. So we are like really tired and frustrated. Let's see what to do. Guys, so finally हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं. We had a lot of views. खाना खा लिया, enjoy किया, chill किया. View is just amazing over here. और अब नीचे जाएंगे. Everybody, finally we've almost finished the trek for Kudremukh, and it was really very difficult for me. I got stuck in the last end, and this guy helped me out from all the trouble. His name is Rahul and he's in IT sector, so he seems to be a very nice trekker. Thank you so much, Rahul. It's raining, such a nice weather inside the forest. Hey everybody, good morning. It's 6 a.m. in the morning. I am in the Shola forest in our homestay near Kudremukh Peak, and the view is really amazing. Come, I want to show you the view now. Look at the view from our homestay. It's so amazing. Hey guys, so we are finally going to the Somavati waterfalls. It is in an itinerary, and fortunately it's below our homestay only. So we are going there. Come on. Capturing the views. Really amazing. Leave your footwear here, is it like that? This is the waterfall. guys, good morning. So we are ready, all eaten and ready for our today's itinerary. So आज we are going to go for Bellu temple visit or tea estate. And I don't know why this mic is not working. I feel charge khatam ho gaya iska. And so like today we went to the Somavati Falls as I showed and shooted over there. So the day is very beautiful. Just check along. The view is really amazing. So सुबह breakfast किया. We had pulao and coffee in the morning, and then we are heading towards our way to Bangalore. रास्ते में we'll have lunch also and dinner also. So आज we have kept it a little bit simple. और since we were very exhausted and tired from yesterday, तो आज थोड़ा सा शांति रहेगा. And more fun ahead. Guys, we are buying these coffee plants. Let's just got it. Ambition and Fikram of this coffee plant. Thank you.
You made a video.
Yeah, I made a video. Coffee plant. You should not come. Coffee. Who's the representative of this homestay? Hey, can you tell me something about this homestay?
Satish Mullodi Homestay.
So it's
Kudremukha Peak.
Kudremukha Peak. From how long it is there in you have started this?
1 minute, cut it off. 1 minute.
Now start.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸತೀಶ್ ಅಂತ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂದ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಟ್ರಕ್ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay.
ಅಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೌನು 20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೇಯಲ್ಲಿ 50ರಿಂದ 100 ಜನ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಮಿಕೊಂಡ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕುರಂಜಲ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ ಇದೆ, ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೀತಾಭೂಮಿ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. 7 days ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್.
7 days trekking.
ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ,
Tent stay.
ರೂಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ.
Okay. From how long you have started this homestay?
15 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು. 15 years.
15 years.
ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇ
Quite old homestay. The food here is very yummy. So like yesterday we had very nice meal in the night. It was really nice. So thank you so much. So we are here in this jeep trek. Jeep thrill.
Camera.
Yes. Guys, say hi.
Hello,
Hello. जरूरी है. आप लोग तो आए भी ऐसे ही हो ना? आ गई थ्रिल. इसको बंद करते हैं. Guys, we are having tea and Maggie over here. Take auntie's picture. Auntie, vlog ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ? Maggie and
ನಮ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ.
Can you tell us about yourself, Maggie, this place? Oh, awesome coffee and tea. Thank you so much.
Oh, chai.
Chai, guys, chai. One is mine, huh? Experience. Mind blowing. About the view, about the place and all.
Dinner is excellent.
Excellent.
Very nice.
Okay. What would you suggest to the viewers? Like would they want to when they want to visit Kudremukh or how to plan something like that?
I wish to visit every time
Oh, great.
on a weekend.
You want to say something
Yeah, plan well before coming.
before coming? Great. Want to say something?
Yeah, it was an absolute incredible experience trekking, and yeah, it was a bit tough, to reach the peak, but I didn't peak actually.
Okay.
Most of my friends did, and they felt it was very nice. It was a very good experience, and everything was planned well. And I would suggest the next whoever goes on treks like these to be a little bit fit, so that they can know they cannot miss the peak.
Peak and not miss the viewpoint,
And
especially.
not miss the viewpoints. But it was absolutely fantastic, and I loved the experience.
Thank you so much. Excellent. How was your experience? What? Okay, tell me. Say something.
थाला रॉक्स नंबर 7 इसको डालना है यार प्लीज अपने रील में
Guys, how was your experience in Kudremukh? कुछ बोलो please.
Experience was we were scared. उसमें डालते sad.
सारे feelings याद आ रहे थे पीक तक जाने में. Guys, कुछ बता दो.
Oh, it was very hectic since we are beginners. एक मिनट
What
we enjoyed.
What would you suggest to the viewers, like how to plan and what should you do before coming to Kudremukh?
Go for a fitness regime, strict.
So guys, do you think this is an easy trek?
No, this is not easy to moderate. Moderate. This is like a difficult to difficult. इसको इसका difficult है.
बताओ कैसा था? हाँ?
ज्यादा सिंपल नहीं था, मॉडरेट टाइप था.
बारिश गिरी थी.
हाँ, बारिश होगा तो थोड़ा दिक्कत होएगा, तो शूज वगैरह अच्छे से पहन के आओ, स्लिप नहीं खाना. और ट्रैक करो तो सुबह जल्दी स्टार्ट करना. कुछ लोग थे जो कि 1:30 बजे स्टार्ट किया, 1:30 को पहुंचे तो उनको पहुंचने नहीं देते.
ये हमारे साथ ही थी.
तो
हाँ,
ट्रैक जल्दी
तुम ही.
स्टार्ट करना, थोड़ा स्टार्ट में जल्दी जाना ताकि कि ऊपर 1 बजे से पहले पहुंच जाओ, वरना एकदम टॉप पे नहीं
How
जाना.
about the view? How was the view thing and all? View was good.
यार आराम से खाना बना खाओ, मजा आएगा.
Great. Thank you so much. Hello everybody. So we are going to the Belur temple. This comes on the way towards going to Bangalore. तो कुद्रेमुख के बाद हम लोग इधर जा रहे हैं. So this temple is supposed to be a quite an old temple. It's historical beauty, one of the beautiful temples of Karnataka. So let's go.
Channakeshwar Temple, Belur, a timeless star in stone. Sometimes the most unforgettable places are the ones you never really planned for. On our way back from the stunning hills of Kudremukh, we took a detour, just a random pin on the pin map, but what we found was a true masterpiece carved in time. So guys, this is Channakeshwar Temple in Belur, Karnataka. It's not just a temple, it's a living canvas of ancient Indian craftsmanship, a place where stone quite literally dances.
Hey guys, let's get inside the temple. Oh. The Belur temple is really very pretty, and
So guys, this is Channakeshwar Temple in Belur, Karnataka. It's not just a temple, it's a living canvas of ancient Indian craftsmanship, a place where stone quite literally dances. Built over 103 years, starting in the 12th century, this temple was commissioned by King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala dynasty after a victorious battle. It is dedicated to Lord Channakeshwar, a beautifully charming form of Lord Vishnu, specifically the Mohini avatar, the god of preservation and cosmic balance. And then you step inside, and it's just breathtaking. No photography and videography aren't officially allowed inside, but I did manage to quietly capture some few glimpses, because trust me, this place is worth seeing. Built over 103 years, starting in the 12th century, this temple was commissioned by King Vishnuvardhana of the Hoysala dynasty after a victorious battle. It is dedicated to Lord Channakeshwara, a beautifully charming form of Lord Vishnu, specifically the Mohini avatar, the god of preservation and cosmic balance. There are 48 pillars inside the main mandapa, and what's amazing is that each one is different. Some are twisted like spiral staircases, others shaped like bells or floral vines, and some are so finely polished they literally reflect like mirrors. It's like walking into a forest of sculpted stories. The sanctum houses the Lord idol of Lord Channakeshwara, tall, slender, sculpted with such details, it feels alive. He stands in a calm, graceful pose, exuding divine charm and serenity. The dim light inside makes the moment feel intimate, like the deity is watching over centuries of history and visitors quietly. What immediately sets this temple apart is its star-shaped base, a design so mathematically advanced and aesthetically elegant. It's hard to believe this was constructed nearly 900 years ago. From every angle, the temple looks different. It's like a star shifting with the sunlight. The temple tower and the Mandankai figures. Now look up and you see the Shikhara, the tower above the sanctum. It's not towering like in the North Indian temples, but it's incredibly intricate. Every inch tells a story. And then there are the Mandanakai figures or Salabhanjikas, stunning celestial women frozen mid-dance, each in a pose more graceful than the last. Their expressions, their jewelry, their postures, it's just like seeing a stone ballet come to life. This visit wasn't planned, and maybe that's what made it magical. If you ever find yourself near Chikmagalur, Hassan, or returning from a trip to Kudremukh, trust me, take this detour. You won't just see a temple, you'll feel something ancient, something eternal. You know, I have visited a lot of temples, but this one feels different. There's something so alive here. It's not just a monument, it's a memory preserved in stone. You feel the presence of the artist, the devotion of the people, and quiet endurance of something sacred that survived wars, plunder, and time itself. The anti-gravity pillar, if visible. Oh, there is this crazy piece of ancient engineering. A 42-foot pillar weighing 15 tons that rests on 3 points with the fourth corner hanging mid-air. That's right, a floating pillar from the 12th century. How did they do this without modern machines? Mind-blowing. The more you spend here, the more you start noticing small carvings of dances, mythological scenes, animal, even scenes from everyday life back then. It's just not a temple, it's a visual archive of lost civilization, all carved from soapstone.
So guys, this was for today's vlog. Say something about this trip. कुछ trip बताओ. Say something about how it was.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Okay.
No, I cannot.
I'm bad at it.
Okay. Bloopers. Say something. कोई कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाहता है. Nobody wants to speak anything, so I'm really sorry, guys. No content.
So guys, if you enjoyed this deep dive into history and hidden beauty and the adventures of Kudremukh, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Let me know in the comments which hidden temple of offbeat destination should we explore next. By that time, we are on the bus and we are heading back to Bangalore. Thank you.